So you're here after watching my recent redemption video on how to get a $32,000 trip for under $8,000. Or you just clicked on the thumbnail since 1,000,000 points is a lot of points. Either way, stay tuned because I'll walk you through how to exactly to get 1,000,000 transferable points. Hello guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be points maxing. First off, we're going to get some guardrails going. All of the points will be earned from sign-up bonuses and hitting minimum spends. For my assumptions, we're going to be assuming that you can hit the minimum spends that I throw out there in the time that's allocated for it. Sure, some of it may be large spends, but we're here to show you how to earn 1,000,000 points. Secondly, we're going to also assume that you have some sort of income that qualifies you for a small business credit card. If you don't, still stay tuned. It might give you some inspiration on how to get these sign-up bonuses. Lastly, we're going to assume that you have enough income to support your spending without going into debt. I cannot stress this enough. Credit card debt is a serious problem, and I cannot tell you how much you need to stay away from that. Okay, so card one, the first sign-up bonus you're going to be targeting is the Amex Gold. This is going to be 90,000 points after 6,000 spent in its first 6 months. This will net you 96,000 points at a minimum. Card number two, Chase Sapphire Preferred. At the time of this recording, it has a 75,000 point sign-up bonus after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. This will net you a minimum 79,000 points. Next up, a few small business cards. This is card number three. You're going to go for the Chase Ink Preferred. Its sign-up bonus is 100,000 points after 8,000 spent in the first 3 months. This will net you 108,000 points total. And bouncing off that, you'll move to the Amex Business Platinum. Yes, it has that $695 fee, but you're going for points. This is going to have a current sign-up bonus of anywhere from between 120,000 points and to 300,000 points. And for this video, we're going to assume you're going to get the 250,000 bonus after 15K spend in 3 months. This will net you a minimum 265,000 points. If you look on the screen, we're over halfway there with 548,000 points, and we've only done 4 cards. For your fifth card, we're going to move back into the personal card space. We're talking about the Venture X from Capital One. It's got a sign-up bonus of 75,000 miles after hitting 4,000 spend in 3 months. This will be a minimum of 84,000 points added on. Now let's go back to Amex. We're going to look at the personal platinum card. Just like the business card, it has many different offers available. We're going to assume you got the high of the 175,000 point sign-up bonus after spending $8,000 in the first 6 months. And this will put you at 183,000 points minimum. Now that we're almost done, we have 2 more cards left for the total of 8 cards. We're going to go back to the Chase Business cards. You're going to try to get the Business Unlimited and Business Cash. Both of them have a sign-up bonus of 75,000 points after 6,000 spent in the first 3 months. This will net you 84,000 points and 81,000 points minimum, respectively. Boom, we hit 1,000,000 points. Wait, I'm hearing that we're only at 980,000. What the counter's telling me, right? Oh, we're not there yet? Okay, but you're telling me out of those $57,000 in minimum spend you just did, you did not hit any of the multipliers. No food was purchased, no trips were taken. So in total, that's about 30 months worth of sign-up bonuses, or if you do hit them by quickly assuming you spend $5,000 a month, because you did hit the Business Platinum card sign-up bonus, you would hit them in just under a year. Now I know it was a little bit out there for me to assume people can spend that much money in that amount of time, but I just wanted to make a fun video to show you how to get 1,000,000 points. Heck, that's an average of 5.8 points earned per dollar spent, or if you value those points at 2 cents per piece, a nice 11.6% cash back. And that's with no multipliers. Or if you're asking straight value of those 1,000,000 points, I'd say around $20,000. So let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments below. Did you enjoy this video? Do you have any questions? How many points do you have? Do you have 1,000,000? Have you tried this? Let me know down below. And if you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, have a great day.